Here I am showing you a shower that is in some heavy need of some attention. There is a build-up of soap scum that has created this mold and mildew, and it needs our love. I am using my own organic product for cleaning as the best solution to tackle mildew and mold. Spray it thoroughly. This will break down the mold and the mildew and allow it to be so easy to remove, as well as that it's more healthier for our health. Grab yourself a brush and lightly scrub in between where the grout is, removing the mildew and the mold. As you can see, it's all removing quite easily, and this makes it so beneficial and less time consuming whilst cleaning the shower. As this has got a larger scale of mold, I used a more handy little brush, and as you can see, it's really just brushing them away. Grab a microfiber cloth and wash it down, wipe it clear, get any loose mildew, switch on the shower, and then I'm thoroughly rinsing everything down, as you can see here, and washing all the waste down the drain. Dry microfiber cloths and dry the shower completely down, removing any excess water, and if there is any markings of further soap scum or markings that haven't been rinsed away, and bring back that sparkle with the shower. As you can see, the shower has been completely restored, and now that is the beautiful shine that matches the rest of the ensuite, looking like new.